how to activate two-step verification for your Hotmail account. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your email, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hotmail, which is now part of Outlook.com, offers two-step verification to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Here's how you can set it up. First, open your web browser and go to www.hotmail.com. Log into your Hotmail account with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can simply create an account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will redirect you to your Microsoft account settings. Now on the account settings page, look for security in the sidebar and click on it. You might need to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once you're in the security section, find and click on Advanced Security Options. Here you'll see an option to set up two-step verification. Click on Turn On under the two-step verification section. Follow the prompts to begin the setup process. You'll be asked to provide a phone number where you can receive a verification code. Enter your phone number and choose whether you want to receive the code via text message or a call. After you receive the verification code on your phone, enter it in the provided field on the screen. This confirms that you have access to the phone number you provided. Once you've completed the steps, two-step verification will be activated for your Hotmail account. This means you need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app whenever you log in. And that's it. Your Hotmail account is now much more secure.